In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use n8n with Ollama. By the end, you'll have Ollama connected inside an n8n workflow, so you can automate prompts and responses without leaving your automation canvas. First, open your browser and go to n8n.io. Sign into your workspace as you normally would. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen prompts to get into the app. Once you're in, you'll be redirected to the workflow area. You should see a blank canvas or a new workflow page. This is where we'll add our nodes and build the automation. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first node. This icon usually appears near the center of the canvas or in the left toolbar. A panel will open that lets you search across all available integrations. In the search bar, type Ollama, then click the Ollama node to add it to your workflow. If you don't see it, make sure your n8n version is up to date or that your instance includes the Ollama integration. With the Ollama node added, you'll be prompted to choose an action. This tells n8n what you want Ollama to do. For example, you might generate a response from a model, run a chat completion, or create embeddings, depending on your use case. Pick the action that fits your workflow, then confirm your selection. You can always change it later if you need to. Next, find the field labeled credential to connect with. This drop-down controls how n8n securely talks to Ollama. Click it, and then choose the option to create a new credential. Credentials in n8n let you store access details once and reuse them across nodes, so you don't have to paste secrets repeatedly. When the credential dialog opens, enter your API key. Use the key provided by your Ollama setup or the gateway you're using to access the Ollama API. Keep this key private and avoid sharing it in logs or screenshots. If you see a field for a base URL or host, you can typically leave the default or point it to your Ollama server if you're running it in a custom location. Giving the credential a clear name can also help you find it later in larger projects. Finally, click Save. You'll return to the node with your new credential selected. At this point, your Ollama node is connected and ready to use within your workflow. You can now configure the remaining fields for your chosen action and build the rest of your automation with confidence. That's it. Your n8n workspace is now set up to talk to Ollama securely and reliably.